Hey, I'm excited to introduce my new book, Oil Pastel Masterpieces in 4 Easy Steps. This book will help you to learn oil pastel medium in a short time. Let me show you what's inside. Oil Pastel Masterpieces in 4 Easy Steps includes 50 step-by-step projects. Each project can be drawn in just 4 easy steps. All the projects are collated into different chapters throughout the book. I've included chapters like spectacular landscapes, lush botanicals, yummy foods, veggies and more, adorable animals, cute patterns, and mixed medium projects. Also, if you are not familiar with oil pastel, I have added theory chapters like what is oil pastel techniques, supplies, inspiration and daily sketchbook practice. All these 50 projects made with love, and each of them show the different perspectives of wonderful oil pastel. Each project contains an intro, needed supplies, project colors, and sometimes a note and a tip. After, you will see the sketch and step-by-step images with detailed descriptions, so you won't get lost in creative process. And finally, I'm giving you an example of how the same project can be drawn differently. The projects are so easy to draw that even my 10-year-old niece without any experience in oil pastels followed the steps and drew this masterpiece. This is a beautiful, inspiring book that I'm really proud of. You'll discover a lot of lovely ideas to try on your own. Enjoy each moment you will spend with this book because it's going to be a lot of fun.